Welcome to our channel. Today, we will be reviewing the Janome HD3000 heavy-duty sewing machine. This machine is designed for those who are looking for a reliable and powerful option for their sewing needs. Whether you're a professional tailor, a home sewer, or just starting out, the Janome HD3000 is a great choice. We will be taking a closer look at its features, performance, and overall value in this review. So, stick around and see if the Janome HD3000 is the right sewing machine for you. The Janome HD3000 is a heavy-duty sewing machine that is built to last. It has a sturdy metal frame that can withstand heavy use and has a smooth, quiet operation. The machine comes with a variety of features that make it easy to use and versatile. One of the most notable features of the Janome HD3000 is its powerful motor. It can handle thick fabrics with ease and can sew at a speed of up to 860 stitches per minute. This makes it perfect for heavy-duty projects such as upholstery, denim, and leather. The machine also comes with a variety of stitches, including straight, zigzag, and decorative stitches. This allows you to customize your projects and add a professional touch. Additionally, it has an automatic needle threader, which makes threading the needle a breeze and saves you time. The Janome HD3000 also has a large work area, which makes it easy to work on larger projects. The machine has a built-in light that illuminates the work area, making it easy to see your work. The machine also comes with a variety of accessories, including a foot pedal, needles, and bobbins. The machine is easy to use with a simple control panel and a clear LCD screen that displays the selected stitch and the recommended foot. The machine is also easy to maintain, with a removable bobbin case and a built-in needle threader. In terms of performance, the Janome HD3000 does not disappoint. It sews smoothly and consistently, with minimal skipped stitches. It also handles thick fabrics with ease, and the adjustable presser foot pressure allows you to customize the machine to your specific needs. Overall, the Janome HD3000 heavy-duty sewing machine is a reliable and powerful option for those who need a heavy-duty machine. It is well built, easy to use, and versatile. With its variety of stitches, automatic needle threader, and large work area, it's perfect for professionals and home users alike. It's also relatively affordable, making it a great value for the money. If you're in the market for a new sewing machine, the Janome HD3000 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this review helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and sewing tutorials.